हाय एग्री युवा, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। जैसा कि आप सबको पता है, IBPS AFO 2026 का एग्जाम पैटर्न चेंज हो गया है। इस बार इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर भी ऐड कर दिया गया है, साथ ही वैकेंसीज भी कम हो गई है, सिर्फ 190 वैकेंसीज। इसका मतलब कंपटीशन काफ़ी टफ होने वाला है, इसीलिए अब टाइम है सीरियस प्रिपरेशन का। तो बिना डिले किए चलिए शुरू करते हैं प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस जो एक्चुअल IBPS AFO एग्जाम्स में पूछे गए थे। Question number 1. What is the percentage of male plants is found in dioecious type of papaya? Option A 10, option B 15, option C 20, option D 30. And the correct answer is option A 10. Question 2. Where is the ICR Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering located? Option A Kolkata, B Kanpur, C Hyderabad, D Bhopal. Correct answer is D Bhopal. Question 3. For determining water requirements, the drum head culture technique is used for which crop? Option A maize, B rice, C potato, D wheat. Correct answer is option B rice. Question 4. Which microorganism or biopesticide causes symptoms similar to caterpillar wilt on plants? Option A nuclear polyhedrosis virus, B Brassica brasina, C Brassicus thuringiensis, D Bacillus cereus. Correct answer is option A nuclear polyhedrosis virus. Question 5. Phosphate solubilizing bacteria PSB are used to enhance the availability of which nutrient? Option A calcium, B nitrogen, C phosphorus, D potassium. And the correct answer is option C phosphorus. Question 6. What is the advanced stage of gully erosion where large portions of soil are transported? Option A splash erosion, option B ravine, C rill, D sheet. And the correct answer is option B ravine. Question 7. What is the term for woodland and widely spaced trees covered by grasses in a hot climate? Option A mangrove forest, option B cloud forest, C tropical forest, D savanna. And the correct answer is option D savanna. Question 8. What is the fat content present in double tone milk? Option A 1.5%, B 2.5%, C 2%, D 3.5%. And the correct answer is 1.5%. Question 9. Moga silkworm feeds on which plants? Option A Bacillus bosemia, option B Bombec ceiba, option C Rhenicus combesis, option D Morus alba. And the correct answer is option A Manicillus bombaceana. Question number 10. Zebraline was first isolated from which organism? Option A Mycoplasma, B virus, C fungus, D bacteria. And the correct answer is option C fungus. Question 11. The Journal of Plant Nutrition is published by option A Oxford Academic Journal, B American Society of Agronomy, C Oxford Academic Journal, D Taylor and Francis Limited. And the correct answer is option D Taylor and Francis Limited. Question 12. What is the unit of crop plant use efficiency? Option A kg per hectare per mm, option B gram per hectare meter, option C kg per hectare per centimeter, option D millimeter per kg. And the correct answer is option A kg per hectare per millimeter. Question 13. Arka Puneet, a variety of mango resistant to spongy tissue and producing oval shaped fruit, is developed by crossing of option A Bengal Panni cross Alfonso, option B Neelam cross Alfonso, option C Ratna cross Alfonso, option D Dasheri cross Neelam. And the correct answer is Ratna cross Alfonso. Question 14. Which type of soil contains high organic content and humus? Option A arid soil, B peat soil, C red soil, D desert soil. And the correct answer is B peat soil. Question 15. Leaf area index is measured by which instrument? Option A septometer, option B propeller meter, option C airflow meter, D lux meter. And the correct answer is option A septometer. Question 16. Pusa Jai Kisan is a variety of option A maize, option B mustard, option C wheat, option D lentil. And the correct answer is option B mustard. Question 17. For eye cell formation, which nutrients is essential? Option A iron, option B calcium, C phosphorus, D magnesium. And the correct answer is option B calcium. Question 18. Minimum germination percentage required for the hybrid seed production of tomato is option A 70, option B 80, option C 90, option D 100%. And the correct answer is option A 70%. Question 19. For AI, artificial insemination, the semen is collected and stored at -196 degrees Celsius using which of the following? Option A liquid nitrogen, B helium nitrogen, C brushed eye, D cold ice. And the answer is liquid nitrogen. Question number 20. Marigold is used as a trap crop for which of the following? Option A aphid, B nematode, C whitefly, D thrips. And the correct answer is B nematode. Question 21. Which is the branch of meteorology is forecast is done for crops, tillage and animal husbandry? Option R agriculture meteorology, B statistical meteorology, C dynamic meteorology, D physical meteorology. And the correct answer is agriculture meteorology. Question 22. Modified stems grow horizontally on or below the surface with nodes, internodes and scars of leaves. This is called A rhizome, B sucker, C offshoot, D runner. And the correct answer is A rhizome. Question 23. Which selective herbicide is commonly used for pre and post emergence weed control in grass-like plants such as rice and maize or broadleaf crops? A ultrazine, B Blutacor, C glycophosphate, D 2,4-D. And the correct answer is option B Blutacor. Question 24. Which type of culture is used for producing triploid plants? Option A pollen culture, B embryo culture, C endosperm culture, D callus culture. Answer is endosperm culture. Question 25. Cork is a commercial variety of A coffee, B cherry, C tea, D coca. And the correct answer is option A coffee. Question 26. Pusa Nanha dot variety of papaya is developed through options are A micropropagation, B mutation, C heterosis, D hybridization. And the correct answer is option B mutation. Question 27. Which breed of goat is called the milk queen of goats in the world? A Toggenburg, B Barbary, C Sihori, D Saanen. And the correct answer is option D Saanen. Question 28. What is the minimum isolation distance required for the certified seed production of okra? Option A 100 meter, option B 200 meter, option C 300 meter, option D 400 meter. And the correct answer is option B 200 meter. Question 29. The test is done to identify incomplete pasteurization in milk. A COB test, B alkaline test, C MBE, D alcohol. And the correct answer is option B alkaline test. Question number 30. Which of the following insect pest is the vector of cotton leaf curl virus? A thrips, B hopper, C aphid, D whitefly. And the correct answer is option D whitefly. Question 31. The main reason for seed dormancy is option A damaged seed coat, B distorted seed coat, C physical cracking, D immature embryo. And the correct answer is option D immature embryo. Question 32. Norin-10 gene responsible for dwarfness in which crop? A dwarf gene in maize, B dwarf gene in wheat, C dwarf gene in rice, D dwarf gene in barley. Correct answer is option B dwarf gene in wheat. Question 33. ACABC. Agri Clinic and Agri Business Center take trainings from which of the following institute? A. ATMA, that is Atma. B. ICR. C. NABARD. D. Manage. And the correct option is option D. Manage. Question 34. Pungency in onion due to which compound? A. Anthocyanin. B. Thiocyanide. C. Diallyl disulfide. D. Allyl propyl disulfide. Correct answer is option D. Allyl propyl disulfide. Question 35. Bluesome end rot is problem in dash due to which deficiency of? Option A. Calcium. Option A. Tomato and calcium. B. Tomato boron. C. Cauliflower and boron. D. Cauliflower and boron. And the correct answer is tomato and calcium. So the sentence will be blossom end rot is problem in tomato due to the deficiency of calcium. Question 36. As per the PFA, SNF in cow milk is option A 8%, B 8.5%, C 9%, D 9.5%. Correct answer will be 8.5%. Question 37. Piercing and sucking mouth parts found in which order? A. Lepidoptera. B. Hemiptera. C. Orthoptera. D. Coleoptera. Correct answer is Hemiptera. Question 38. ICMR recommendation of vegetables in gram is A. 400 grams. B. 200 grams. C. 10 grams. D. 300 grams. And the correct answer is option A. 400 grams. Question 39. In which scheme farmer get rupees 6,000 direct support by the government annually? A. RMMSY. B. KCC scheme. C. ENAM. D. PM Kisan. And the correct answer is option D. PM Kisan. Question 40. Pendimethyline is used against option A. Weeds. B. Fungus. C. Bacteria. D. Nematode. Correct answer will be A. Weeds. Question 41. Water holding capacity in descending order will be option A. Clay, slit, sand. Option B. Sand, slit, clay. Option C. Clay, slit, sand. Option D. Slit, clay, sand. And the correct answer is option C. Clay, then slit and then sand. Question 42. Symptoms of powdery mildew of pea first appears on A. Leaves. B. Flower. C. Stem. D. Pod. Correct answer will be option A. Leaves. Question 43. Family of mustard is A. Gramineaceae. B. Leguminosae. C. Cucurbitaceae. D. Cruciferaceae. Correct answer is D. Cruciferaceae. Question 44. Process which softens the seed coat to water and gas is A. Volumization. B. Vaccination. C. Scarification. D. Scarification. Correct answer is C. Scarification. Question 45. Main protein present in silk is A. Fibrin. B. Sericin. C. Origin. D. Collagen. Correct answer will be A. Fibrin. Question 46. Reddening is a process of which crop? A. Jute. B. Potato. C. Rice. D. Tobacco. And the correct answer is option A. Jute. Question 47. Which of the following chemical is used for polyploidy breeding? A. Acridine gray. B. Colchicine. C. GA3. D. X-rays. And the correct answer is option B. Colchicine. Question 48. The credit for the concept and initial establishment of KYC goes to A. Mohan Singh Mehta. B. Dr. R.S. Padora. C. Mangla Rai. D. Chandrika Prasad. And the correct answer is option A. Mohan Singh Mehta. Question 49. Mandi is a dash type of market. A. Primary. B. Fair. C. Secondary. D. Territory. And the correct answer is option A. Primary. Question 50. Fruit of rose is known as A. Drupe. B. Hips. C. Pods. And D. Capsule. तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप लोग बताओगे कमेंट सेक्शन में। बस इतना ही इस वीडियो के लिए। आई होप आपको ये सब वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी और आपकी प्रिपरेशन में ज़रूर हेल्प करेगी। अगर आपको पसंद आई तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों तक भेजिए जिनको AFO की प्रिपरेशन करनी होगी। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए हैप्पी लर्निंग एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन।